Welcome to the screencast launching Geogebra, which shows how to launch the Geogebra application from a web browser. I am using Internet Explorer, though another web browser would also be fine. And I have Googled geogebra.org. And please select the Geogebra Webstart command. Geogebra has a graphics window and an algebra window. We will turn our attention to the graphics window as we begin our geometry work. Let's begin by placing a point on the graphics window. So from the tool, the point tool, I will click on the point tool and I will place a point anywhere in the graphics window. If we don't like the fact that GeoGebra automatically gave this point letter A, we could double-click on letter A, move to Object Properties, and change the name to, let's say, W. If we're happy with this change, we will close, and now the point is named W. For our first lesson, please select the Circle with Center Through Point tool. Click once, which will be the center of the circle. Click again, which will be a point on the edge of the circle. And let's put 2 points on our circle. To do this, we need to, in our selection tool menu, click on, on our point menu, click in the lower right corner of the tool to give pull-down menu choices for this tool. And we would like to use Point on Object. On the right, it will say that to use Point on Object, we need to click inside an object or on its perimeter to make a point. So I will click on the circle here, and a new point is placed on the circle. And I will click it here to put a second point. Let's go back to the selection tool, double click on this point, and let's rename these points to say your initials. So my initials would be DW. So I will go Object Properties and make this point D, and select this point, Object Properties, and make this point W, so that I have my initials DW on the circle. Your assignment tonight is to open GeoGebra, construct a circle, place 2 points on this circle, go back to the selection tool, double-click the points, and rename them. And that will conclude the first assignment. I would like you to save your file. So to save your file, we go to the File menu, we hit Save. It tells where you want to save this document. You must give it a file name. I'll call this the first Geogebra file and save it. And we are done with our first exposure to Geogebra.